How to create group chat on Android. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create the group chat on Android, it is pretty simple. Firstly, check out your messaging icon or the app in your device. There you will see the plus sign icon, you can tap in it. Now over here you will see the two options where go ahead and enter the first recipient. Now as you can see, one of the recipient has been added. To create a group chat, you must add multiple recipients. For that, you can just click on the plus sign icon at the top. Or you can even type in the name of the person. After that, when you send a message, the message will be sent to both of the recipients, creating a group chat, which means the recipient can communicate to you in this particular group chat as well. So basically, this is how you create a group chat on your Android device. Hopefully, you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully, you found it informative